Britannica Chatbot is essentially a chatbot that's been provided the knowledge base of the most up-to-date Encyclopedia Britannica. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm excited to be trialing this out. This looks like quite an interesting one. I used to read the Encyclopedia Britannica quite a bit when I was younger, so the fact that we've essentially now got a chatbot that's been trained on the most up-to-date knowledge from that encyclopedia is quite exciting. I'm gonna go right ahead and actually click on one of the suggested questions, which will be, why did the Titanic sink? And now we're gonna see exactly what this chatbot can do. So we can see here, because this is a question I was actually about to ask, how does this differ to regular ChatGPT, right? That's the first thing we want to know when we come across a new chatbot. You can see here that chatbot answers are created from Britannica articles using AI. Now, this is a beta feature, may contain some errors, always verify important information, of course, as you should with all large language models, because they are prone to hallucinations, not just factual hallucinations where they make things up, but also contextual hallucinations where it tries to fill in the gaps based on what you've provided it, but it may actually create a context for itself that is not accurate. So that's another important thing to note about contextual hallucinations. So we're being told here that the Titanic sank in the North Atlantic on April 14th to 15th, 1912 because of a collision with an iceberg. So we've got the factors contributing to it, other relevant information, and we've also got related questions as well. Now, I quite like this format. It's very nice and concise, and we actually have like essentially a list of contents we can go through.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So if I click introduction, that's just open up a page, and this is linked directly to the Encyclopedia Britannica website. So I just click the introduction, I'm going to click on top questions, and that takes me to the top questions section as well on the Titanic page for the online version of the encyclopedia. So yeah, this is very interesting for anyone who's very passionate about learning, such as myself. I think this is a fascinating way to actually get your head around information in an encyclopedia. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatGPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatGPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.